Horses out, Boss Barawana, pass to begin, moving up on the outside, Cheese Kevans, no, Danori inside, alongside Arvin Dugal, Lexi Bonda, then followed by Perfect Pajama, Mr. Universe, and Whistler is the early trailer. Going along for the first turn, we have Cheese Kemas by about 2 lengths. Arvin Dugo in second, racing in third, no, Danori inside, Boss Barawana. Mr. Universe now moving up to take P. Perfect Pajama, Lexibon, and Whistler. They swing into the back. Chisquemas, no, he's down on the inside. Alongside third, Arvin Dugo. Then followed over by Lexibon, Boss Barawana in paper. Next on line, Perfect Pajama, Mr. Universe, and Whistler. Chisquemas by only 3 for Balenga. No, now moving up down on the inside. Alongside third, Arvin Dugo. Then here comes Lexibon in fourth. Boss Barawana is down on the inside. Chisquemas, Arvin Dugo is on the outside. No, he's running by the rail, moving up Boss Barawana and Lexibon. As they come down to the last 150, Arvin Dugo takes the lead by Oralenka. Chisquemas moving up on the outside, Boss Barawana and Lexibon, and no, last 75 meters, Arvin Dugo by about 3 lengths over Boss Barawana, and finally Arvin Dugo, Boss Barawana, then comes Lexibon. Number 5, Chisquemas, no.
May photo pa tayo for 5th, most likely.
8-1-4-5-2, unofficial placings natin.